In this video, I will show you how to open a Revolut account. First, click on Sign Up and enter your phone number. Enter your number, then click on Sign Up. Next, you will be asked if you want to enable notifications. In this case, I will click on Not Now. Then you will be asked for your country of residence. Choose your country, then click on Accept and Continue. Next, you will be asked for your address. Enter it. It will be completed automatically. Then click on Continue. You will be asked for your first and last names. Next, enter your date of birth and click on Continue. After that, you will be asked for your email address. Then, take a quick selfie to verify your identity. So click on OK. The next step concerns your identity. In Europe or the United States, you will have a social security number. Enter it here, then click on Continue. Before accessing the app, they want to know how you plan to use it. You have several options such as transfers and purchases. In this case, I will simply choose Transfers and click on Continue. The last step here is signing up for a premium account, but you can opt for the standard and get a free virtual card. Revolut is therefore completely free to use. It offers a free plan and virtual cards cost nothing. If you want a premium plan, use my Revolut link in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.